everyone, today we are going to learn about different hobbies. Alright, let's begin. Knitting.
针织
Sewing.
缝纫
Play chess.
下棋
Board games.
棋盘游戏
Singing.
唱歌
Dancing.
跳舞
Martial arts.
武术
Cooking.
烹饪
Baking.
烘焙
Play football.
踢足球
Play hockey.
打曲棍球
Play golf ball.
打高尔夫球
Do gymnastics.
做体操
Yoga.
瑜伽
Meditation.
冥想
Working out.
健身
Boxing.
拳击
Running.
跑步
Drawing.
绘画
Reading.
阅读
Swimming.
游泳
Scuba diving.
潜水
Surfing.
冲浪
Fishing.
钓鱼
Play bowling.
打保龄球
Skating.
溜冰
Skydiving.
跳伞
Horse riding.
骑马
Traveling.
旅行
Hunting.
打猎
This is the end of our class. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.